So when replacing the valve, we're going to take this cover off. I like to leave these two covers connected. You got 8 screws here. Don't disconnect these 3. Sometimes it's tricky to find the 2 that are on the bottom. We're going to remove this cover. And this side here is really easy, helpful for the first valve on the right. You have 5 screws to take out. The 2 here we want to leave in because they hold the frame of the machine together. If we're working on ones in the middle or even on the other side, you got the same cover on the other side, and also the top 2 screws on the other side will help just give us that much more wiggle room, make that a lot easier to change out. Now that we have our covers off and a little bit more accessible, we want a hemostat behind the filter. We're going to disconnect this guy. We're going to make sure our seal is nice and seated, and we're going to clip that into the bottom of the new valve. Next, we're going to disconnect, pull out this pin to the right here, and pull out the torpedo pin. Set those to the side. We're going to need those. Sometimes we can use our fingernails, sometimes a small flathead screwdriver just to pry this right side open to pull the solenoid out. And we're going to set this guy to the side. So since the valve is the only thing stopping the main tank from leaking out, we want to clamp the line before the valve, and just one click is just fine. Next, we're going to push up to disengage this from the frame, and we're going to disconnect here. Once we disconnect this, same thing, we want that seal nice and flat, and then reassemble. We want to push the top into the machine. Once we get the top locked in, we'll push up from the bottom, re-engage it, and reassemble. It's the solenoid here, clips it in, the torpedo pin, and the cotter pin. Then once we get everything hooked back up, we can disengage our top hemostat. And even so, with the bottom line hemostating, we can disconnect here and test our flow from the valve. A little cloth underneath and press in, engages the valve, and we should see after a few seconds this continuous dripping. That is good flow.